Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Now today I would like to tell you about the most trending, most popular drama in the world 2019. The drama name was Daydreamer. The drama released on 2018 to 2019. First of all, I would like to tell you about the main role of this drama serial, Sanam. Sanam is a young girl with aspiration of becoming a writer. Is focused by her parents to choose between an arranged marriage and finding a proper job. Rushing into a new job at an advertising company, she soon falls for her boss Jan. Sanam is a young girl who had not success in leading a permanent job and chosen to work at her father's grocery store in hopes to become a famous writer one day. When her parents give her a choice to get a proper job or an arranged marriage, Sanam rushes to do a job in the advertising agency her sister worked in. There are there her advertiser with the two boys, Jan and Ambre, starting the chain of events that end up with her falling in love with Jan. But could she manage to get out of that role of terrible she fall into with her heart still intact? A story engaging about a woman named Sanem. When her overbearing parents have idea to who she should be living, this does not involve her working here at her father's store. Unlike her perfect sister Leila, who worked for an advertising agency, when a position became available at her sister's job, she seeks to apply. During her time there, Sanim finds herself catch instant events that occur between two brothers who run their company. Sanem is a young girl who chooses to work at her father's grocery store in hopes to become a famous writer one day. When her parents give her a choice to get a proper job and arrange marriage, Sanam decided to work in the advertising agency her sister Laila works. There are advertisers with the two boys, Jan and Amre, in order to talk the authority of from Jan. Sanam decided to help Amre. Jan fall in love with Sanam and at the same time she fall in love with Albatross, a person she did not serve. As now only season 1 is released, but the director of Early Birds planning to shoot the second season. Also the first season gets the most successful reviews. In the IMDb, most of the reviews also posted the positive comments of the Daydreamer drama. All the cast, other members, song, storyline, starting and ending plot of this drama was best. Nowadays, most Turkish drama are available on Netflix. The Daydreamer series has the other international followers also as they cast a very charming hero for the main role. This drama has more nomination also. This drama is one of the more best Turkish and comedy drama. Each episode is 1 horse. On Instagram you will also get the short video of this series and you can get the Turkish community to join and get the latest update of Turkish TV series. Daydreamer is one of the best Turkish TV series is now available to Netflix and MX Player also. Daydreamer TV series is based on the romantic couple. And you will also get more information about this drama on Google. The series can play the role of a very nice and young boy who is more interested in nature and his main focus in sports and photography. The role can take more efforts as the role is very opposite to his lifestyle and he also learned lot of new things while shooting. This is the best series of the Jan and he gets much popularity because of this series and he gets famous. Now he is busy with the shooting of this new series and movies. And the most important thing, I had been rewatching it for so many times already, from the very episode first to last episode. 5 times I guessed, and I feel guilt when I accidentally saw clip of them and of the series of Facebook, YouTube, and anywhere. Early Bird is the very first Turkish series that I watched and fall in love with. So Can Yaman and Demet Özdemir will always be my first love leading. Thanks for watching.